Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an efficient way to manage your personal projects and keep everything organized, Evernote is a fantastic tool. Today, we'll go over how you can use Evernote to stay on top of your tasks, capture ideas, and keep your personal projects moving forward. Let's get started. 1. Create notebooks for different projects. The first step in organizing your projects in Evernote is creating separate notebooks for each one. Whether it's work, personal goals, or hobbies, you can create a new notebook for each project to keep everything sorted and easy to find. Best for keeping your projects separate and organized. 2. Use notes to track ideas and tasks. Within each notebook, you can create individual notes. Use notes to track everything related to your project, such as brainstorming ideas, to-do lists, meeting notes, or research. Best for capturing ideas, tasks, and important information in one place. 3. Add tags for better searchability. Tags are a great way to categorize your notes further. You can tag your notes by project stage, e.g. planning, research, or completed, or by type, e.g. task, idea, resource. This makes it easy to find specific notes later. Best for organizing notes by categories and making them easy to search. 4. Use checklists for to-do lists. Evernote allows you to create interactive checklists within your notes. Use this feature to create to-do lists for tasks in your project and check them off as you complete them. Best for keeping track of tasks and staying on schedule. 5. Attach files and images. To keep everything related to your project in one place, you can attach files, images, PDFs, and even audio recordings to your notes. This feature makes Evernote a versatile tool for storing various types of content. Best for centralizing your project files and resources in one place. 6. Use templates for consistency. Evernote offers templates for different types of notes, like meeting notes, project plans, and more. Use templates to maintain consistency across your projects and save time on formatting. Best for streamlining note-taking and maintaining consistency. 7. Set reminders and due dates. For time-sensitive tasks, Evernote allows you to set reminders and due dates within your notes. This helps ensure you never miss an important deadline or follow-up action. Best for managing deadlines and staying on track with tasks. 8. Sync across devices. Evernote syncs your notes and notebooks across all your devices, so you can access your personal project information anytime, anywhere. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, your projects are always with you. Best for accessing your projects from anywhere at any time. Which one should you choose? For task management, use checklists and reminders to keep your projects moving forward. For organizing ideas, use notebooks and tags to keep everything sorted and searchable. For centralizing resources, attach files and images to your notes to keep everything in one place. With Evernote, managing your personal projects becomes a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.